Saan itong hotel na ang linis at ang bango pa? Tara, check-in tayo. Lumuluwas ako dito sa Mandaluyong to work malapit sa office and wala na akong ibang hotel na pinupuntahan kundi itong Go Hotels. At Go Hotels Plus na nga pala sila ngayon. Binabalik-balikan ko itong hotel na ito kasi unang-una ay ang kanilang customer service. Napaka-flexible, may mga ilan akong request sa kanila pero kayang-kaya nilang i-accommodate most of the time. Dito sa lobby at sa co-working space pa lang, napakalinis na tapos imi-mention ko talaga na napakabango ng lugar at ng labing ito. With their high-speed Wi-Fi, perfect for staying productive on the go. Elevators at hallways, very well maintained ang place. Itong rooms, tamang-tamang cozy, malinis rin. Included na ang freshly changed comforters, pillowcases, rugs and towels. Meron din silang toiletries like shampoo, body wash, and dental cleaning set. May television for entertainment plus kettles, pitchers, and mugs na rin. You can also get your water sa mga dispenser nila sa hallway. You can check rin ang mga iba pa naming reviews. Anyway, if ever na magutom kayo sa stay ninyo, you can order sa lobby food outlet and may malapit din na convenience store. Pwede rin kayong maglaro ng kanilang table games in case na you're waiting for someone. Late na ako ng booking and inabot ng 1,872 pesos for an overnight stay. Pero may mas maibababa pa ang rates nila if earlier kayo mag-book or check yung promo sa ibang booking apps like Booking.com, Agoda at iba pang online booking channels. You can pay cash, GCash, or credit cards or debit cards. That's it, finders. Bye-bye!